Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here Tulika. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shave your face. Yes, you heard it right. Men are not the only one who shave their faces. Women do too. It's important to know how to shave facial hair properly to prevent skin irritation, burn and ingrown hairs. It's different from the way you shave your legs and underarms or any parts of your body. Every woman has facial hair. There are two types, vellus hair and terminal hair. Vellus hair is the thin and fine hair that covers much of our face. If you see carefully, you will find this type of hair on your cheeks, forehead, upper and lower lips, neck, chin and sideburns. Terminal hair is darker and thicker one. Some women have terminal hair along their upper and lower lips, sideburns, neck and chin. Facial shaving can be done to remove both of these hairs and also it can remove your dead skin. Shaving facial hair is completely your choice. If you don't want to shave your facial hair, then you can go for other option to remove your facial hair, but I do in this way and my skin is super sensitive, so threading and waxing are not the good option for me. It's been 1 year I'm shaving my skin and I couldn't see any side effects after shaving my facial hair. But how you shave does matter the most. In this video, I'll be sharing the complete guide for shaving face. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's jump into the video. To shave your face, you need to follow some steps to protect your skin from irritation, burn and bumps. Wash your face before you shave. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or makeup before you shave to prevent skin irritation and infection. It also makes your hair root soft, so it will be easy to shave your facial hair. If you have more thicker hair, then you can soak your face with warm water or hold a warm damp wash cloth to your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes before you shave. It helps your skin to be soften the hair follicles and allows the hair to be cut more easily. Tie your hair. Always tie your hair tightly before shaving. Otherwise, your hair can be annoying while you're shaving. Sanitize your hand. Always sanitize your hands before touching your face because we touch a lot of things and there are so many germs on our palms, so always kill all the germs before you are starting. Apply any moisturizing lotion or gel. Moisturizing lotion or gel preserves moisture and helps the razor blade glide easier across your skin. Here I am applying aloe vera gel because I feel it protects my skin from irritation. Now coming to the shaving weapon, the razor. Don't use the same razor you use to remove the hair from your different body parts. This type of razor is made to remove your body hair but not the facial hair. Use a straight edge single blade razor designed specifically for women's facial shaving. You can find it in any beauty stores or online. I have this one with the cap. This cap is for maintaining the sharpness of the blade. Always use a sharp one. Dull blades can pull at your facial hair, feel rough on your skin and can cause rashes, burn and bumps. Sanitize the razor. Take a cotton pad, take few drops of alcohol into this or you can spray alcohol on this. Then wipe out the razor to get a germ-free shaving. Do it before and after shave. Otherwise, it will lead to the skin infections. It's must thing to do. Shaving technique. When shaving your facial hair, lightly press down on your razor blade at a 45-degree angle. Shave slowly in short, steady strokes in the direction of the hair growth to prevent skin irritation. Remember one thing, always shave in the direction of hair growth, not against it. You can hold your skin with one finger like this. This will make your skin tighter. It will help you to make your shave clean and smooth. I'm starting with the jawline and chin area. You can start from anywhere you want. Always clean the razor with a cotton pad or tissue paper after some strokes. Don't put too much pressure on your skin with the razor. Press the razor against your skin very lightly. I know some questions are popping up in your head now. And one of the most common questions is it safe to shave your face? It's completely safe. It's been 1 year I'm shaving my face. But you shouldn't shave if you have any active acne on your face, any cuts, rashes on your face, or any other skin issues, which can cause further irritation and infection. Always clean the razor with a cotton pad or tissue paper after some strokes. I have some thick hair around my lip area. I'm going to press my upper lip area with my tongue from inside. The skin is tight and this will help me to shave clean. In the middle area, the hair grows straight, so I am shaving it straight. On the side area, the hair growth is a little bit angular, so I am shaving into angle. On the lower lip area, I'm going to tighten my skin like I did before. I'm going to shave it very gently. On my chin area, I have a lot of thin hairs. If you notice carefully, you can see some dead skins are coming out. Does shaving make your face hair grow back thicker and faster? And the answer is no. Shaving will not cause hair to grow back thicker, faster, or darker. A razor blade cuts away facial hair from the skin surface, not the root. This leaves the cut hair with blunt tops that can appear thicker as they start to grow back through the surface. It may make the thicker hairs feel harder to the touch until they grow out completely, but they really aren't. Now it's time for the forehead area. And here it's going on nose. Don't shave near your eyes unless you feel completely confident with this razor. Be very careful when you're shaving upper brow bone and lower brow bone because your one wrong stroke and your eyebrow will be gone. It's your eye area, so be gentle. How many times you can use the same razor? It depends on your blade of the razor. I can use this one for 2 to 3 times. Let me know in comment below how you remove your facial hair. And if you have any questions about shaving your facial hair, you can ask me in comment section. Excess or dark facial hair can sometimes be the result of genetics. Medical issues and hormonal irregularities can also cause an overgrowth of facial hair to occur in women. If you are seeing more facial hair than usual, talk to your doctor. That may help provide additional insight and possibly medical solutions that will help you. On my cheek area, I have very thin and little hair, near about invisible, so 1 or 2 strokes will be enough. Look in which direction I'm shaving on my cheeks, and this is the hair growth direction on my cheeks. You can clearly see the skin texture now. It's completely done and my skin does look smooth, clean and glowing. After shaving, you may notice some redness on your skin, but it's completely okay. Now sanitize your razor again. Put the cap on and keep it in a clean place. After shaving, skincare. After shaving, here I am cleaning my face with Bioderma Sensavio H2O. In a cotton pad, I am taking few drops of it, and with this, I am just gonna wipe out my face. I already applied cleanser before shaving, so don't wanna overdo. And now I'm gonna wash my face with water. Don't exfoliate your skin with physical or chemical exfoliator one day before or after shaving. It can irritate your skin. You can clean your face with a gentle cleanser and then can apply moisturizer. After shaving, always apply a moisturizing cream, lotion or oil which is alcohol free. As a moisturizer, I am applying here CeraVe on my face. This is my all-time favorite. Don't apply any skincare products on your face before and after shaving which contains alcohol. And here is the final result. You can see my face, my skin. You may feel little bit dryness for 2 to 3 days after shaving your whole face. Just keep moisturizing your skin. So that's it. That was the complete guide for shaving your face. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Guys, please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.